Let's see the advantages of power cables. There are many advantages of power cables, especially in these cases. The use of power cable instead of overhead networks in many countries is due to the following advantages and cases. Spread of tall buildings on both sides of the roads and cables takes up less ground. The cable is covered with the insulating material. It's especially safe in populated areas. Not affected by weather factors, such like wind, rain, snow, and have a long lifetime. Less breakdowns from overhead lines. Easily control the extension of the cable and change its path when pairing. Less likely to steal. Finally, not subjected to tampering and accidents.